How household appliances use electricity and why efficiency matters. Every day, we use many household appliances without thinking much about them. Things like refrigerators, air conditioners, stoves, and washing machines help keep our homes comfortable and safe. All of these appliances use electricity, and how they work affects how much energy we use and how much we pay on our electric bill. Appliances use electricity by turning electric power into something useful. A refrigerator uses electricity to keep food cold. An air conditioner uses electricity to remove heat from your home so the air feels cooler. A washing machine uses electricity to clean and spin clothes, and a dryer uses electricity to heat air and dry them. Even small appliances like microwaves and coffee makers use electricity when they are running. When appliances are old or not working well, they often use more electricity than necessary. For example, an old refrigerator may run all the time to stay cold, or an air conditioner with a dirty filter may work harder than it should. This extra energy can raise electric bills, and it makes the electrical system work harder. Keeping appliances in good condition helps them run more efficiently. Simple steps like cleaning filters, checking door seals, and doing basic maintenance can make a big difference. Your refrigerator and freezer. Your refrigerator runs all day and night, so small changes matter. Set your fridge to about 37 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Set your freezer to 0 degrees. If they are colder than this, they use more electricity without keeping food any safer. Check the door seals. Close the door on a piece of paper. If you can pull it out easily, the seal may need to be replaced. Contact your property manager or maintenance person to replace the seals. Good seals keep cold air inside. Try not to leave the door open for long. Every time you open it, cold air escapes, and the fridge has to work harder. Keep your fridge and freezer fairly full. Cold food helps keep other food cold, but do not block the air vents inside. Air needs to move around. If you have a freezer that builds up frost, defrosting it from time to time can also help it run better. Frost acts like insulation and makes the freezer work harder. When you see a thick layer of frost building up, it may be time to defrost. To do this, move the food to a cooler or another freezer. Unplug the unit and let the ice melt. Place towels or a shallow pan underneath to collect the water, or plan to drain the water outside if your freezer has a drain. Once the frost is gone and the inside is dry, plug the freezer back in and return the food. Keeping frost under control helps the freezer cool more efficiently and can lower energy use. Cooking on stoves and in ovens. Whether you use gas or electric appliances in your cooking can use a lot of energy, especially when heating a large oven. If you are cooking a small meal, use a microwave, toaster oven, multi-cooker, or air fryer instead of the full oven. These smaller appliances heat up faster and use less electricity to complete a meal. Match the pot to the burner. A small pot on a large burner wastes heat. Put a lid on pots to keep heat inside so food cooks faster. Avoid opening the oven door often. Each time you open it, heat escapes and the oven must use more energy to heat up again. Washing clothes. Most of the energy used by a washing machine goes to heating water. Wash clothes in cold water when you can. Detergents work well in cold water and it saves energy because the machine does not have to heat the water. Wash full loads instead of many small loads. This uses less water and electricity overall. If you can, spin clothes at a higher speed. This removes more water and reduces drying time. Drying clothes. Dryers use a lot of electricity because they create heat. Clean the lint filter before every load. This helps air move freely and shortens drying time. Dry similar items together. Heavy towels take longer to dry than light shirts. If possible, air dry clothes on a rack or clothesline. Air drying uses no electricity and helps clothes last longer. Washing dishes. Dishwashers can use less water and energy than washing by hand, especially if you follow a few simple steps. Run the dishwasher only when it is full. Let dishes air dry instead of the heated drying setting. Scrape food off plates instead of rinsing with hot water before loading. Air conditioners and thermostats. Air conditioners use a lot of electricity, especially during hot weather. There are several common types of cooling systems, and small changes can help lower your energy use and save money. Set your thermostat as high as is comfortable. Even raising the temperature by 1 or 2 degrees can reduce how often the system runs. When it runs less, it uses less electricity. Clean or replace air filters regularly. A dirty filter blocks airflow. When air cannot move easily, the system has to work harder and uses more energy. Make sure vents are not blocked by furniture, rugs, or curtains. For window and portable units, keep the outside part of the unit clear so air can flow freely. Keep windows and doors closed when the air conditioning is running. Cool air can escape through gaps and cracks. Sealing leaks and adding weather stripping can help keep cool air inside. You can also use ceiling fans or floor fans to move cool air around the room. Fans use much less electricity than air conditioners. Moving air helps you feel cooler, so you may be able to set the thermostat a little higher. Don't leave fans running when you leave the room. By using your cooling system wisely and keeping it in good condition, you can stay comfortable while using less energy. When it is time to replace an appliance. When it is time to replace an appliance, choosing an energy-efficient model is one of the best ways to save electricity. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. Energy Star appliances meet strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the federal government. They use less electricity to do the same job, which means lower energy bills over time. Many local electric or gas utilities across the country offer rebates or discounts for energy-efficient appliances. Some states and communities also have special programs to help renters, homeowners, and property owners upgrade to more efficient equipment. By understanding how appliances use electricity, keeping them working well, and choosing efficient models when it is time to replace them, we can all save energy and lower costs. Small choices at home can lead to big benefits for families, communities, and the environment. Look for rebates in energy programs. If you're thinking about replacing an appliance, it is also a good idea to check for rebates and energy programs from your local energy provider. Many electric and gas utilities offer rebates for energy-efficient appliances such as refrigerators, washing machines, heat pump dryers, and air conditioners. These rebates can help lower upfront costs of buying a more efficient model. Some communities also offer programs that help renters, homeowners, and landlords upgrade appliances and save energy and money. Before you buy a new appliance, visit your local utility's website or contact them to see what programs are available. A quick check could help you save money and choose equipment that uses less energy for years to come. A few small changes can make a big difference. Use energy wisely and don't forget to check with your local provider for rebates that can help you save.